I want to put some cubbies up above here, but I need to get a good height to where I made this bench a lot wider than I normally do. It's a lot deeper than normal. But I'm doing that because over the years I've gotten used to my own clutterish work habits, if you can't tell looking around here, to where I'll have a lot of stuff against the wall in the back just sitting there, stored there. Battery chargers, radios, what have you. So I want to be able to do this and still have a comfortable working area in front of all that. Make it a lot easier. So while I'm figuring out the height that I want my cubbies at, all I'm going to do is just reach across, make a mark on the wall, and that's kind of a comfortable reaching area for me. I mean, I still have to stretch a little bit if I want something. That's not a big deal to me. Some people, that's a deal breaker. Me, I really don't care. I'll be fine, just fine. So I'll do with her. I'll measure up and it looks like 24 inches. It's 24.5 inches. So we'll set the bottom of our cubby at 24 inches. That'll give us some nice height above there to put stuff under it, to mount maybe a workbench light underneath it. So let's get after it. I'm just sticking boards together. And this stuff I will screw together. It holds better. I don't want this coming apart. You know it'll end up getting loaded. Let's see how this goes. Certainly not light, but I wonder if maybe a couple of blocks of 2 feet would be handy. Hell, we'll do it the hard way. So what we do, it's a lot heavier than it looks, believe it or not. Whoo! I can already tell that it's going to be tough to film with this bench from a distance because of this light, but my tripod folds up small enough it goes on the bench just fine. Probably get a couple mounts on here for the GoPro and things like that, but this is a solid, sturdy, nice workstation here. Now, some of you viewers who know me well enough by now, you have called it. This is the cleanest you were ever going to see this thing. Day one, night one, just turned the power on 20 minutes ago. This is the cleanest this will be. So enjoy it, because I'm going to enjoy it for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to just destroy this thing. I ended up putting a layer of Luan on, and well, somehow I don't know how to read a tape measure, and I cut it a little bit narrow, but that's okay. It's a replaceable piece. We did this. This is the sacrificial top to the bench. Instead of going with the metal on the back wall, I went with another layer of Luan, and I can get some high temp RTV silicone, make a bead down through there, and that'll make that nice. Excuse me, dusty in here. Anyway, we have the bench vise to put on this thing yet. We've got a couple other bells and whistles to do. We've got to hang some tools along the back here, but I'm very happy with this. Very happy with it. We've got our cubbies made. I made room so we can go even higher with more if we'd like. We could probably take shelves all the way to the ceiling in here. It wouldn't hurt my feelings a bit. But I'm happy with this. It's nice and tall, which is what I like. I like to kind of work at a certain level. That's what I'm used to. So this would be nice for laying things out, and it's just going to be nice. Just going to be nice. Probably in 2 days, I'm probably going to have a little 10-inch by 10-inch square on here. If I'm lucky, that'll be free of debris. But that's just how I work. I've finally made peace with the fact that I work like a friggin' slob. And looking around this shop right now, ooh, do I have a lot of work to do before that forge gets fired up this coming week. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy it, and I will catch you on the next one.